Hi everyone, my name is Anika and welcome to the HomeAutomationX channel. Thank you for watching. We tested several Ring products like home alarm, their doorbell, the floodlight, and their spotlight. And now we're going to test out the Ring Stickup Cam. This is the wired version and a friend of ours purchased it for their house and they agreed to let us test it out for this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click that bell icon to get notified when we release new videos. Also, please use our Amazon links if you shop on Amazon. Those links are in every one of our videos and they really help us out. Finally, if you want to see our videos weeks before anyone else does, see our Patreon link down below for all the details on that. We have the Ring Protection Plan, which allows us to save our video history for 60 days on an unlimited amount of cameras. So with our floodlight, the spotlight, our Video Doorbell Pro, and the Stick Up Cam, we get all of this monitored for $100 per year. That price also includes 24/7 monitoring on our Ring alarm, so the police are just an arm's length away. It's one of the better cloud packages compared to other camera companies. All right, now let's go ahead and unbox the Stick Up Cam. Now, this is the cute packaging that it comes in. And I'm gonna go ahead and first take out the camera. And it comes with a compartment to cover it. And it feels pretty good. It's like nice and heavy. I would say it's like pretty sturdy, like feeling, you know, doesn't feel cheap and plasticky. What I like about it is you can simply place it on your desk just like that with the cover on it. Or you can also turn it around and maybe have it, so it rotates just like that. You can maybe have it on the ceiling like so. Or you can also take this plastic part and bend it like so, all the way like so, and mount it on the wall, just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what else it comes with. We have a little box here. And this is for the indoor setup. And this is just the power cable here. We got our USB wire power cable and obviously our box to put in. And what I like is it also has the outdoor wire, which is super duper long. So if you want to run it, you can run it wherever you like and it's very convenient. So I forgot to mention, in the blue box also comes some of the stuff like the screws, you got the drill, you've also got your screwdriver, and I'm going to show you guys how we can power it up. We have our power source right here. Now I do want to quickly mention some of the features of this camera. It is 1080p with two-way talk. You can plug it in by using the power over Ethernet, and that's simply going to be right over here, or you can plug it in and you can power it through Wi-Fi. So that's what we're going to do. So I have my cable right over here. We have this section that it's going to go into. I'm going to go ahead and simply just put it through this hole and connect it into there, and it's nice and sturdy. And then we're going to close it and secure it with our screwdriver. I also like the fact that it has customizable motion zones, which I'll show you shortly. Installing it in the app was easy. You can click Add Device in the Ring app, and then it will ask you to scan the QR code at the back of the camera, and then you just follow the prompts. Now let's check out the live view, guys, and go through the settings inside the app. You can see me live and the quality is looking good. How is it? Leave a comment down below and let me know. We already installed the stick-up camera at our friend's place, but we forgot to go over the app details. So we're gonna do that now, and the installation is still at their location. So let's go ahead. Here is the live video of where it is installed, and it is monitoring the side of the house and the driveway where the cars are. On the right, I have the record motion and motion alerts turned on. If they're getting a lot of alerts on their phone, they could turn off the motion alerts and the cars would still be monitored with 60 days of saved battery. So now the first thing I will do is set up my motion zones. Under device settings and motion settings here, I have to set it all to motion. Now, I will click on the motion zones here, and you can also draw out your motion zone to eliminate any false alerts. You can focus on a certain area as well, so you can create 3 different motion zones. Now, some other points of interest are under the alert settings. You might want to change the tone in your app, especially if they all sound the same. So I like this one here at the bottom because it also adds in the following phrase.
Someone's at your door.
Event history is where you're going to go to see all your recorded events. Like I mentioned at the start, if you sign up for the protection plan, you get 60 days worth of history. I don't want to click on their motion alerts, but I have one from here where it previously was installed. Okay, I wonder who that person is. Okay, so anyways, I can also check live view to see what is happening at any time. I like motion snooze, especially on the outdoor cameras. If I was, let's say, cutting the grass for an hour or so, I could hit snooze, so it won't alert my phone at all. Under linked devices, you can see what happens when the stick-up cam detects motion. I could also turn on recording of my other cameras as well, and even turn on their lights. Let me demonstrate the two-way talk with my stick-up cam, and we're going to demonstrate it and show you on the phone how it sounds. Hello, can you hear me? My name is Anika. I am at the door. It's nice to see you. To summarize, I like the quality of this camera. You can mount it indoors, you can mount it outdoors, and also have the option to use Wi-Fi or power over Ethernet. Also, the fact that you have the Protection Plus for only $100 per year, you can add unlimited cameras for history recording. We put the link down below in the description box on where you can get more information on this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please leave a comment down below on what your thoughts are on this camera. I ask that you please share this video if you did find it useful. Also, there are these videos here on the side that you can check out. The video on the top here is the most recent one, and the one below that is the one that I recommend just for you. Please click on either one and check them out, guys. Until next time, I'll see you guys soon.